Hi, here is the Olympus OM1 overall conditions. Okay. The bottom here is the battery compartment, while it's a fully mechanical camera, so it can work without the battery. Unless you want to use the metering, then only you will need the battery. Yeah. Okay. First of all, let us open the back cover. So it'll be like this. Then the film, just put it inside like this and push it in. Okay, then the film tip insert into this hole. Okay, after you insert it, then press it, wind it. Okay, then just close it. Turn a bit. Okay, so how to make sure whether you have loaded the film properly? It's quite easy. When you wind the film, look at the rewind knob. It will move together, which means that you have loaded it properly. Yeah. And here is the shutter speed setting. Max is 1/1000. Then the slowest is 1 second. Okay. Or this is bulk mode. So you can click it unless you want. This one is for long exposure use lah. If you release, then only if you release the shutter. Yeah. And the aperture ring is at here. And when you want to take off the lens, you just click this button, this and this together, press it, twist it, like that will do. Yeah. Then when you want to equip, then the red dot, match with the red dot. Okay, equip it. Here is, so this camera is quite easy, it's because you can just adjust the focus. Here, shutter speed and the aperture in one hand, and another hand you just control the shutter speed will do. And here is the ISO dial, so you just click it to adjust it according to what kind of film you use. Then here is the metering on off button. After that, here is the timer. Push it and wait for it. It took around maybe like 10 seconds like that lah. Yeah. Here is the film counter. It will record how many shots you have took. And when you should finish, twist here, the R at here to rewind. Flip here up, and here have an arrow, so you just rewind it clockwise until it becomes very loose. Then means that it's okay already. Then you just take out the film. Will do. Yeah. And here's the overall function. Hope you enjoy it.